English listening test for kids. Starter level, test 8. Question 1. What day is it today?
It's Friday.
What day is it today?
It's Friday.
2. It's blue. It's a blue triangle. It's blue. It's a blue triangle. 3.
How many hearts are there?
There are 4 hearts.
How many hearts are there?
There are 4 hearts. 4.
What's the weather like?
It's foggy.
What's the weather like?
It's foggy. 5. Do you like cabbage?
No, I don't.
Do you like cabbage?
No, I don't.
6.
What fruit do you like?
I like strawberries.
What fruit do you like?
I like strawberries. 7.
What shape is it?
It's a triangle.
What shape is it?
It's a triangle. 8.
Do you like grapes?
Yes, I do.
Do you like grapes?
Yes, I do. 9.
What day is it today?
It's Saturday today.
What day is it today?
It's Saturday today. 10. Happy. The frog is happy. Happy. The frog is happy. How did you do?